Have you ever wondered why baking for ourselves or our families is more than just a foodie experience? Do you agree with me that baking is a form of emotional nourishment as well? Isn't it? I personally believe that every cake holds a story and every bite it is filled with so much love. That is the reason why home bakers are able to make some of the tastiest cakes out there from their home bakery. Give me a heart in the comment box if you agree with me on this point. You see, food and emotions are deeply connected. When we bake, our thoughts and intentions are infused in every ingredient. Imagine this like your positive energy flowing into that cake batter, creating a cake that is not only tasty and delicious, but it is also filled with all those healing vibes. Just like in temples, have you seen prasad that we take in the temple? It is so tasty that if you try to use the same recipe at home, it won't taste as good as like that of that prasad. Have you ever wondered why? Well, it is because of those positive vibrations of that sacred place. Studies have shown that baking can also be used as a form of therapy. It is a therapy not just for a baker who is baking or decorating the cake, but also for those who indulge in the finished product. The act of mixing the ingredients, kneading the dough, and decorating the cakes can be incredibly therapeutic. This helps in reducing the stress as well as anxiety. Give me a smiley in the chat box if you are someone who has already experienced it. And you know what? It doesn't stop here because baking isn't just about creating tasty treats. It is also a form of art therapy. The process of decorating cakes allows us to express ourselves very creatively and it helps in channelizing our emotions into beautiful designs that tell a story. Just like the cake that I'm showing over here in this particular video. And not just me, many of my students like Soumya, Kavya, Sandeep, they have actually come out of their depressions with the healing power of baking and cake decoration. It is so beautiful and magical at the same time. And these benefits, well, they extend beyond the kitchen. Baking can also be a fulfilling hobby. In fact, it can even be a lucrative business venture as well. I started as a hobby baker, wanting to bake a delicious cake for my child's first birthday. But eventually, I realized my calling and I decided to leave my job to take a plunge in the bakery business industry. I decided to leave my job for better. I got into bakery business full time. And I'm so happy that I took that bold decision. So, irrespective of whether you are a beginner or not, whether you are baking for fun or looking to start your own bakery or not, the possibilities are just endless. But you have to be truly committed about your own baking journey. My advice, just come out of your comfort zone. Take that plunge and see what happens. I'm 100% sure baking won't disappoint you. But this decision can surely change the trajectory of your life, just like how it has changed mine. Initially, you may think that will this work for me? Will this not work for me? Should I put money into this? What should I do? Right? All those things will be there in the place, right? Because you are a beginner, you don't have the right knowledge. It is absolutely all right to get these kind of thoughts in your mind. But like I said, just take a plunge and see what happens. It will change your life for better. I can say that from my experience and from my students' experience as well. And by the way, you can also become a part of my community of passionate bakers, beginners as well as advanced students. With my Diamond Certification program, you can upgrade your baking skills and take your creations to the next level. Just like how Saundarya, Suchita, Divya, and so many of my students who were able to get massive success in just a matter of 2 months, you can also do that. Because even they, just like you, even they did not know a lot of things. They started from scratch, but right now they are doing such an amazing job in their own baking journey. So, whether you are a hobbyist or an aspiring entrepreneur, I am here to help you. My community is here to help you so that you can 10x your orders and spread joy in this beautiful world. So type diamond in the comment box if you want to shine like a true diamond in our community. Check the description box for the registration form link, and I would love to have you in my exclusive community of master bakers very soon. So let's bake our way to the happiness together. Join me in this sweet journey and let your orders grow 10x. Do like, share, and subscribe for my channel for more such unique content related to baking, business, and beyond. Thank you so much.